Welcome back to iknewitchannel, and today I am going to show you about density. Density is the measure of mass present in unit volume. And probably that is the reason why some things float and some things sink. Okay, first I'll show you this. Okay, here's some items that I found around in my house that we can use for this topic. Okay, we have a bucket of water here that we're going to put it in the water. So here we have a playing card, a rock, a shell, coins, and a plastic lid. So which of these items do you think will float? Let's find out right after this video. So here, let's try this plastic lid. See, it floats. How about this rock? Will it sink or float? Correct answer, it sinks. How about this thing? The correct answer, it also sinks, just like the rock. How about these coins? They'll also sink. And how about this playing card? Right? They float. Well, probably the reason why some things float and something sinks because of density. Well, in more simpler words, that means about their molecules. Well, like example, for wood, the molecules and the wood are not tightly packed together, so that leaves space for air. But while for a rock, coin, or anything else, it has a more higher density because the molecules are tightly packed together, leaving no space for air, causing it to sink. Well, even some things that float even sink, like this playing card. It's because that it's pretty thin and small. The reason why some things that sink and float is because that they are small and thin, so the water can handle it. The water's density is 1, while these other things could be lesser and more. Well, because the water's density is 1, so for the rocks, it could be like 2 or 3. So it is over the density. So that means it sinks. Same happens for the rock and shell here. But for this playing card, it's a bit more than the water's density. But even the ones that are more than the water density can still float. Well, probably this thing has increased it by a bit of a percent. It can still float. And it can sometimes half float, like half float and half sink or submerged. Just like fruits, like apples, tomatoes, and some other more. While the ones that have lesser density can easily float on top. So let's see again. So an easier saying that density means about how tightly the molecules are packed on each material or object, especially like plastic, rocks, or stone, metal, and also plastic, whatever. So that is our topic for the day, and I I hope you learned a few things or two about our lesson. So